Hello, Elizabeth here. Quick tip on file and storage and management. Again, in the assignment, you're asked to go to your Google Drive. So I'm logged into my Google account. I click up here on Drive, and here I have lots of files. You may not have many at all, but I have lots. And if I click on this little arrow on the left, these are all folders that I've created. So the first part of your assignment, and I'm going to make a folder in a folder, but you would just go to Create. And in the Create button, you'll see Folder right here. You click on Folder and make a new folder. So this would be, I'm just going to call it Week 5. Well, 5 folder. Just you call it whatever you want. And so now in a folder, I have this folder, and there's nothing in it. So the other part of the assignment here in Google Drive, you will have a Create button. And these are your options, documents, presentations. We'll get into some of these other things later, but right now I'm just going to create a blank document. So instead of using Word, Microsoft's Word, I use Google Docs. I don't even buy Word anymore. So here it's a Word editor. Have a lot of I can change fonts, whatever I want to do. The first thing you need to do is you click on Untitled and give that document a title. So again, I'm going to call it Week 5, just doc, but you could call it whatever you want. And also, if you want to change the title of a document, you click on File and Rename. So, and here, this is where you can type in anything you want. You type whatever. And again, look at all of the editors. You can click up here, you can change your fonts. And if you want to add fonts, there's a whole slew of them you can add. So you can change your fonts, you can play with the text color, and lots of other different things. You can insert images. So look at all the options you have up here under Tools, Format, Insert, and just learn what the editor is. And another thing, you'll see everything is private to you. So if you look at the little blue share button, it's private only to me. Now I can share an individual document with somebody by clicking on this share button, and if I know their Gmail address, I would type it in down here. I could have them either edit it, comment, or whatever. I could also change this if I just wanted it mass anybody looking at this. This is where I would change it to anyone with a link. So this is a share. If I want to post it here to Google Plus Circles, I'd click up here. So there's lots of different ways. So I'm not going to share this because what I'm going to do, if I click up here, I can make sure it's in the right folder, which it is. And so now I'm just going to close this document. And I'm going to go back to Drive. And here I'm on this folder, and there's the document. And this is how I share the folder. So the assignment is you're going to share this folder, your folder, with me. So if you hover over the folder and click this drop down, there's some options. I can color code it, which I always do because I like to color code things. And I can go to Share and click on Share. And just like in a Google Doc, a Google folder, the same share functionality. Now I'm going to click Add People, and you're going to enter my Gmail address. So you're going to enter elizeb.mccarthy@gmail, and you're going to let me edit it. And if I were to add it, share with this folder with all of you, I could actually, let's see if I'd have to enter that, the link. I'd have to enter each of your addresses and send them to you, but I'm not going to do that right now. And if I wanted anybody just to look at from Google Plus, I could change it to anyone with a link and share it to Google Plus. So for now, all I'm asking you to do is click in here, enter my address so I can edit it, and then hit share and save. And I'm going to cancel it for now. And you'll know it's a shared folder because it won't be solid. If it's a shared folder, it'll have this little looks like a person in it. You know these are shared folders when they have a little head and shoulders inside them. So that's the assignment for today. I hope you enjoy Google Drive. There's a lot of functionality in here, and we'll be coming back at a future date when we get to presentations and other things. So any questions, give me a call.